Today we're gonna go to a new gym in another city just to try it out. We did it once before on the channel, but it was so long ago, so why not do it again? But first we're gonna start off with a fucking anabolic breakfast. 4 eggs, some fucking salt of course, otherwise it tastes like shit, and some fucking protein powder. Yeah, I also thought it would be funny to see how fast I can eat all of this, and yeah, let's go, let's put on a timer. Yeah, so it took 140 seconds. That's fucking insane. I thought it would take like 30 seconds. Bro, the fucking eggs destroyed me. But yeah, I'm not going alone to the gym. I'm actually going with Skooply gym and my babe, Ft.Nibbla. We see the boys soon. So here's the boys sitting in the car. Yo! Yo! What's up? Welcome here! Okay, so it's a 30-minute trip, and how's the boys feeling today?
I'm fucking hyped. It's bench PR.
Yeah, they're gonna hit some PRs, man. And yeah, just gonna show you when we get there. Yeah. So we're here at the grocery store. And you know, of course, we're gonna take the fucking white monster. So let's go. Okay, we found this average banana, you know. And what the fuck is this? Fucking on sale. Fucking the white monster on sale. This should be fucking legal, man. This is too anabolic. So let's go. Okay, so this is the pre-worked banana. Man, what the fuck? You can fucking stab someone with this one. But yeah, let's fucking eat it. Fucking huge. I wanted to take a snack, you know, but I'm on a cut, so you gotta do the healthy choice. See you in the gym. Bam. So we're finally here at the gym. Okay, we just came to the benches. We're starting off with bench press for the day. And here's my friend Ft.Nibbla.
Hello, hello.
How much do you guys think this guy can bench? By the way, 60 kg body weight.
No. I'm 66. He's lying the man, better man.
66 kg I meant. And yes. Okay, how much do you bench?
I'm bench 105 kg.
Kg, that's your fucking mom's weight.
That's 235 pounds for you Americans.
Yeah, fucking... Bro, what the fuck? He benches more than me. I weigh fucking 90 kg. But yeah, let's go. Okay, so now Ft.Nibbla is gonna take 100 kg.
Bro, this is 34 kg more than his body weight.
Yeah, that's fucking insane, but...
It's easy peasy.
Yeah. Easy peasy, guys, so let's see how it goes. He's fucking mugging me. Yeah.
That's easy. Easy.
Bro, it's calibrated weights and it takes almost 40 kg more than his body weight. This guy is on Tren.
Yeah, maybe on Tren.
Bro, look at this fucking tricep.
Bro, what the hell?
Bro, he's definitely injecting shit
up his ass. Boys and girls, I guess it's my turn. And I don't so good at fucking 100, so let's see what the white monster can do. I just took 100 and it felt pretty good, so I guess we're gonna up the weight. And let's take the fucking pump cup off. Okay, the pump cup first comes off. So let's go. 110 kg on the bench. Haven't done this in like 1 year. So let's see how it goes. Fucking sound code doesn't work on the PO. That's right. Ft.Skooply lifts here is gonna attempt a fucking PR.
130 kg.
130 kg, this is fucking insane. It's almost as 3 plates now. How does it feel?
It's fucking insane. It's take a long time, but now let's go.
Alright, just dream, gonna be okay.
Fortunately, Skooply didn't make it, but
Yeah, I was like this amount away from taking 130.
yeah, it was so close.
And I haven't been benching now for 1 week because I'm in the military, as you know. But now it's holiday and I have no excuses. So it's bulk right now, sleep a lot, blast, tren, and then we have it. So we'll see you when I get it.
Yeah. Check out this channel, you're gonna fucking make it in the fucking next month, promise. So we're moving over to flies. Fucking the tank here, the fucking Tren tank. Already fucking did it. But yeah, now some flies, let's go. Go to the workout when you have the fucking GOAT shirt, Michael Jordan. And there's fucking the Tren tank and Skooply lifts. Oi, oi, oi! I need to take this home to my main gym. Like, who the fuck did a fucking pillow here in the gym? Fucking the best fucking idea I ever heard or seen. But let's go over to the next exercise. Taking this pillow to the fucking next exercise. The guy who fucking put it in here should have a fucking promotion, for real. And we have this new machine. Never tried it, or okay, I tried it once before, I'm not gonna lie with you. It's fucking jumping on the fucking dick simulator. Even the Tren tank likes the fucking pillow.
I'm not Tren.
We're gonna do some triceps now, let's go. Going over to the best fucking exercise on push day, the fucking rear dead. And yeah, let's go.
Dude, rear dent isn't on the chest, it's on back day.
Bro, shut up.
I'm actually...
Time again, bro.
Finishing off with overhead shoulder presses. Let's go. Okay, so we was here at the gym and just finished all the workout. And I think it was a super nice gym. We've been here before, that's why we want to come back. What do you guys think?
Yeah, it's an amazing trip to go to this gym, and yeah, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yes.
Best gym in our region, in the closest area. It takes like 40 minutes to get here, but it's surely worth it, definitely. So good benches, competition benches, this machine point. It's the best gym in our region.
Build out this fucking monster. What the fuck?
And now Better Man is going to lick it up.
Nah, you do it. We even have a kids club here. Where's Diddy? Yeah, how the fuck am I supposed to get into the car? Like, this is... I need to pull it. Like, it's fucking push day, come on. Like, I guess I gotta walk home. So the boys is gonna eat on the fucking fast food restaurants. But you know I'm on a cut, so it's just the fucking white monster for me. Whoa, whoa. We're gonna go and ask Skooply Gym, which is the best ninja in Lego Ninjago. All know it's only one good answer, the fucking red ninja. Kai, down in the fucking comments. Let's see what he fucking says. Is he a shad or is he a fucking beta fucking twig? Bro. Which is the best ninja in Lego Ninjago? Which is the best ninja in Lego Ninjago?
Say now, come on.
Jag vet fan vad han heter, men den svarta.
The black
Say it in
man.
English.
Oh.
The black one.
The black one?
Yeah, superior.
Beta.
Superior.
Bro. Imagine saying fucking Cole is the best ninja. We all know it's fucking Kai, the fire ninja. But you know,
The only Ft.Skooply
Nibbla,
when
which
we
is the best ninja?
is of course the red one.
Yeah, Nibbla, show me your fucking jawline here. The fucking shad himself. Oh! William got negative fucking jawline after saying Cole.
I'm anti-moggy.
No.
Average Kai ninja.
Ft.Skooply, only what he watched when he was a little child. That was Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo is prime. Scooby-Doo is prime.
For me it was the...
Bamse.
Oh yeah, Bamse, yeah.
Svamp och fikon.
Yeah.
SpongeBob, SquarePants. Bro, it's fucking Lego Ninjago is the shit when you was a kid, and you know, fucking Ben 10 and all stuff like that. Okay, we're going back in. Of course, we need a late night fucking energy drink, you know, so I can get sleep easier. Let's go in. Okay, we also got the fucking drinks. Noco. It was on fucking sale, you know. So, nice. We're saying goodbye to the boys. Goodbye! Goodbye! So we're back home again. Today was really nice. I really liked the experience of getting to a new gym or a gym I'm not very used to. It felt good, new machines, other types of exercises. And you know, just a good vibe, you know, with the boys, Nibbla, the fucking Tren tank, Skooply gym. Yeah, it just feels good every time, you know. We got one more chest pump. It feels like we're only doing chest days on this channel. But next time it's gonna be a back day, I promise. And yeah, that's pretty much all from me. Better man out.